reputation every day because you set such high standards for yourself that you have to go out every day and live up to that. My father used to say that it's never too late to do anything you wanted to do, and he said you never know what you can accomplish until you try. My failure gave my strength, my pain was my motivation. The only person that can stop me is me. I am not competing with somebody else, I am competing with what I am capable of. My attitude is that if you push me towards something that you think is a weakness, then I will turn that perceived weakness into a strength. You must, you must expect great things of yourself before you can do it. If nobody will help you, do it alone. Everybody has talent, but ability takes hard work. Get the fundamentals down, and the level of everything you do will rise. When all life is seen as divine, everyone grows wings. Words cannot describe the pain and feelings. My heroes were and are my parents. I can't see myself having anyone else as my heroes. You have to be selfish or else you never achieve, and once you get to your highest level then you have to be unselfish, stay reachable, stay in touch, don't isolate. If you quit once it becomes a habit, never quit. I like criticism, it makes you stronger. Key to success is failure. Don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't run around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work hard. Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. You have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. I can accept failures. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. Always turn a negative situation into a positive situation. I have always believed that if you put in the work, the results will come. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Michael Jordan.